looking at Asclepias tuberosa, that's perennial milkweed, and I just want to give you a few tips on harvesting these seed heads. Ideally, we want to aim for collecting these seeds from the seed pod just as they begin to naturally open up on their own, but before they begin to fly away. This seed pod right here is a great example of that. They're still tight inside that pod, but the pod is already opened on its own. If we have missed that opportunity and we have all of this white fluffiness that we're seeing here, that's okay. We can still collect these seeds, and I'm going to show you an easy trick for how to clean them, okay? So just as best you can, grab these handfuls of cotton, which have small brown seeds attached to the base. Put them in a paper bag. I'm just using my thumb. I'm starting at the base of the pod and dragging upwards. That way I make sure and get most of the seeds as I can. Pop them in this bag and then give it a good shake. What we're trying to do is separate this white fluffy cloud from our actual seed. They need more shaking. Okay, let's see how they're looking. We'll open up our bag. The seeds have been separated from the white. I'm gonna pull out the majority of the fluffy. It's okay if a few seeds come out with it. We'll pour out our seeds that we've collected. And that is going to make for much easier storage.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.